it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas Season 2, Episode 49. Now, I know it's another shirt, but I really do love this project because typically whenever I do design work, it seems like I'm almost always making stuff that is geared more towards women or kids, and my husband needed some shirts for work. So he loves to be able to wear jeans, and most days he has to wear dress pants. Now this coming up week for Thanksgiving week, if they have a fall Thanksgiving or a football shirt, which my husband doesn't watch football, so we don't have any of those in our house, that he could wear jeans, so he asked me to make him some. So this is my favorite out of the three. Now there are on our $10 or more a month Patreon for there you do get access to 3 last minute t-shirt SVGs, and this one says Thanksgiving, bringing out the fun in family dysfunction since 1863. Now if you'll give me a moment, I'll get the camera angle changed so you can see how we put this shirt together. So as you can see here, we have another shirt laid out. My husband asked me to make him a couple of shirts to be able to wear up to work if they have a Thanksgiving, football, which he's not really into sports, or fall design shirt. He doesn't have to wear dress pants. He can wear jeans, which he loves to do. So I designed a few shirts for him because most of the time when I'm designing, and I think this is kind of how it goes for a lot of us, I'm designing for kids or women, not always adult men, or something that can be worn by men. So I came up with a few designs. So if you are a $10 or more a month patron, you do get access to these last minute Thanksgiving design. But as you can see here, I have my Steady Betty laid out, and it is a 15 by 24 inch Steady Betty, so I'm using the 15-inch t-shirt guide. We're going to line that right up at the top. Then I have my vinyl cut, which the color of the shirt I'm using is the Olive by Bella in Canvas. And then here is my design, which says Thanksgiving, bringing out the fun in family dysfunction since 1863. I am very, very proud of this design. I think it's adorable. So we're going to go ahead and fold it in half. There we go. And this is what you would consider a bar print. So it is still a front chest shirt, but instead of it being a full-size design, if you ever hear anybody refer to it as a bar print, is because of the size. So we're going to go ahead and line that up and lay that out. And we are going the 3 fingers down from the top of the pilgrim hat and not to the letters. So that is laid out. So now we're going to go ahead and cover with our Teflon sheet. But on my Patreon page, if you do want the files, there are 3 included in this bundle. There's a leftovers for quitter and did you say pie, which again, I'm very, very proud of all my designs. So right now we're just going to heat one section for 15 seconds, and then we're going to move over and heat the other side for 15 seconds. This is pretty simple to do. T-shirts are always amazingly simple, and I've been asked a lot why I'm not using my big press. Well, my big press is at my main shop and not here at my studio, and I do have a heat press here. It's just this is much easier to using this. My GoPro and my Cricut Easy Press is a whole lot easier to show what I'm doing versus using the other one. I'm still working on camera angles and stuff like that, but I am going to get another Hotronix for over here. I want one that has like the slide out because I really don't need the pneumatic here, but I want something a little bit more industrial because I do press all day, every day. Now, what we do when we apply vinyl is 330 degrees is roughly right in the middle of where you're wanting to be for heat wise, and your vinyls will have instructions, 15 seconds, and you always do a remaining press. Look how good that looks together. And part of the reason why I chose this is it's a little bit harder to read. So it's funny without being, it's not going to draw a whole lot of attention, and it's not going to be offensive. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we'll go over everything we just did. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. I'm doing like the hand jive over here. Don't forget to check out all of my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as my second channel, which is all about makeup and all that fun kind of stuff, my keto, all that's over there. But I guess that's it. So we'll see you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bye.